Is that your name?
Yes.
Do you speak Hindi? अरे fantastic. थोड़ा
मैं समझती हूँ लेकिन अंग्रेजी
अरे मुझसे अच्छी हिंदी आपकी Age 40 yoga teacher and full-time mom to a 6-month-old believes deeply that movement is medicine. Thank you very much for being a part of this. Now you can just tell us in a few words, which is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is English.
Oh, it's English. Okay. I was hoping it was something exotic.
बस
ठीक है, या तो
अंग्रेजी
हिंदी में या इंग्लिश में बता दीजिए सबको कि आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही. How has it been to be how you feel and how you created this habit of being fit and healthy?
I believe actually that, like what the skydiving woman said, that it is a privilege to take care of our bodies. It does an amazing thing when you become a mother, when you become pregnant, and you know, house a life and you birth another living being. That in itself is something commendable. But I feel like if you're able to still remember that if you are not well, if you are not healthy as a mother, then how can the child be healthy? Well, obviously being a yoga teacher before getting pregnant, that was already inculcated very much into my routine. I was very, very active all throughout the pregnancy, and even afterwards now, it's the priority for me. Absolutely. If I don't exercise, like everybody in the house knows it because I go insane. So I need my workout to keep my sanity, to keep myself happy, to keep the baby happy, to keep my husband happy, to keep my sasuma happy. Also, there is this preconception that, which
He wants to invite everyone.
Exactly. Anyway, I also had this idea that after giving birth, you know, my body would be weaker. I would be less. But I find that after having my son, I am so much stronger. It's incredible. So I also became a mother late. I'm 40 years old and this is my first child. So if there are women out there who are afraid of pregnancy, of the process, of the birthing, don't. These are all wrong notions that have been put in our heads. If people are saying, I'm 35, I can't have a child, that's also wrong. So just keep moving. Keep going every day. Even if you have a bad day, just try again tomorrow. And like Milind sir said, even 5 minutes. If you can get 5 minutes while he's napping, 5 minutes while he's with a Didi, just do it. And do it for yourself and nobody else.
Next category is the lifelong 5K. We have Bhavna Saxena, age 52, whose journey reflects strength and self-discipline. Diagnosed with multiple myeloma, she remained resilient with her family's support. Fitness for her is about maintaining a healthy lifestyle and prioritizing herself. This will be her first Xylus Fitness. Welcome to the family. So let us know a little bit about what it was like. I'm sure it was, for us, it's unimaginable. Thank you very much and let us know your journey.
I'm Bhavna, a cancer survivor. Actually, जो कैंसर वर्ड है वो बहुत ही सबके लिए एक भयानक वर्ड कहा जाता है एंड वो मेरे लिए भी एक शॉक के जैसे आया था. 2014 जनवरी में मेरे को मल्टीपल माइलोमा डायग्नोस हुआ था. मैं अपनी बॉडी के लिए बहुत ही सेंसिटिव हूँ. मुझे छोटे छोटे सिम्टम्स जो भी होते हैं मैं तुरंत अपना बॉडी का ये सिग्नल सोच के सीधे डॉक्टर के पास जाती हूँ और सेम मैंने उस टाइम भी किया. मेरे फिंगर्स में नमनेस हो रहा था. आई स्ट्रेट अवे वेटेड फॉर 1 week or so. Then I decided to go to the doctor and my husband, he's here only. He's from army. I'm an army officer wife. So I went to the army hospital, RNR. There many number of tests they were done. And then I came to know in January 2015 that I'm having multiple myeloma. But तब तक मेरे को ये लगता था कि जिंदगी है चलती रहेगी. कुछ भी मैं अपनी फिटनेस के लिए नहीं ध्यान देती थी. उस टाइम पे मेरा कीमो शुरू हुआ और मेरे को एक साइड में एक मोटिवेशन मिल रहा था कि मेरे को अपनी हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना है क्योंकि मैं हेल्दी रहूंगी तो मेरा परिवार भी मेरे साथ साथ खुश रहेगा. और मैंने कीमो के साथ साथ अपनी डाइट को कंट्रोल किया. फिटनेस के रूप में मैं ज़्यादा मैराथन वगैरह में कभी नहीं गई हूँ. ये मेरा फर्स्ट मैराथन होगा. थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
कि ऐसा हो रहा है So as citizens, what do? We must take care of our health. Hospitals, ठीक है, hospitals are going to take care of you in a critical situation. Doctors are going to take care of you when you reach a critical situation. But why do you reach the critical situation? A lot of that is in your hand. To maintain a healthy lifestyle, to have a healthy body, to have a healthy mind, ये सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा हद तक आपके हाथ में हैं. And it is important to take those steps every single day consistently. जैसे उन्होंने कहा, जितना भी छोटा स्टेप हो, 1 मिनट हो, 2 मिनट हो, 5 मिनट हो, ये समय अपने लिए निकालना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. And that is the only path to a healthier person, a healthier society, and a healthier nation. So thank you all very very much for coming. We'd like to present the bibs to our 3 kilometer and 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer mascots. I'd like to ask Dr. Singhal and Anurag Kaur to present the first 3K bib. Thank you. Thank you very very much. Thank you.